Hi viewers, this is Virtual. Today we can discuss about PowerUps portal customization. If you don't have any portal, just to log in into make.powerups.com and create one portal. Each instance having the one unique portal. So let's jump into session. I am going to customize my custom portal. So by defaultly you have this see the lot of options: home, contact, sign in. You can see here by defaultly you have the sign in with the local account, sign in with the external account, registration, remittation, invitation. So I will going to log in into the portal using my username and password. You can after login you can update your details. So you can view your profile. Basic profile. So now I will give the portal access for the particular user. Let's jump into the portal management page. I will give the access for the particular contact. Okay, I will create new contact. Victory, last name is J, email address is email. Now I have created the one contact. So this contact going to log in the portal. So let's see how the user going to log into the portal. So if you want to change a password, you can change it. So I have created the contact. I am going to set the one password for this account. So now I will create. You can log in into the portal. So if you have three options, one is a registration, another one is a redeem invitation, another one is a sign in with the external account. I will go with first. I will show you the redeem invitation. So I will go to again the portal management. I will create the one invitation for this user. I'm going to save. So now go to advanced and you can find out the redeem invitation. Just copy, or you can send the link to the particular user as well. So this is my mail ID which automatically came. I will set the username. And the password. Using the redeem invitation, you can directly enter into portal. Otherwise, you can register the your username in the portal. After that, you can able to log in. So once done, so I will sign out this one. So now I am going to hide this option, the registration and a redeem invitation. The two option I will go to hide. So now navigating the portal management, go to the site settings. Here you can find out the registration. You can scroll down, you can find out the option the registration is enabled true. You can just disable this option, just make it the value false. And save and close. If you don't want the registration invitation enabled, you can just disable. I will go with the disable this option. Save and close. So now you can just refresh the page. Now you can see here the changes is affected in our portal. Thanks for watching.